In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Apollo.io Chrome extension using Google, a handy tool for sales professionals looking to streamline their outreach efforts. We'll make this easy by walking you through every step necessary to get the extension installed and ready for use so that you can start benefiting from its features right away. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Chrome Extension Store. This is your go-to hub for all things extensions and where you'll find Apollo.io. If you aren't familiar with it, the Chrome Extension Store is essentially the App Store for Google Chrome. It's where you can browse, install, and manage browser extensions that enhance your browsing experience. You'll easily find it by opening your Chrome browser and using the search engine, or you can navigate to it directly via your browser settings under Extensions. Once you've made your way to the Extension Store, you will notice a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. This is your tool for finding specific extensions. Click on this search bar to activate your typing cursor. By entering the right keywords, the store can quickly filter through thousands of available extensions to find exactly what you need. Now, in the search bar, type in Apollo.io. This helps to efficiently narrow down the list to show you relevant extensions. With Apollo.io being a fairly popular tool, it should appear near the top of the search results. Selecting the Apollo.io's extension link will bring you to its dedicated page, which contains all the information you need, including user reviews, ratings, and detailed descriptions of the extension's capabilities. After navigating to the Apollo.io extension page, the next step is simply to click the Add to Chrome button. This step signifies that you wish to begin the installation process. When you click Add to Chrome, a pop-up will appear prompting you to confirm your choice. This pop-up is a standard security measure to make sure that you absolutely want to install the extension and understand how it will interact with your browser. To finalize this process, click on Add Extension in the confirmation pop-up. The installation should complete within seconds, depending on your internet speed. And once it's finished, you'll see the Apollo.io icon appear in the top right corner of your browser window, alongside your other installed extensions. Congratulations, Apollo.io is now installed and ready to use. With the Apollo.io extension now a part of your toolkit, you can seamlessly integrate its features to enhance your workflow. Whenever you need to use it, just click on the icon and follow the prompt to sign into your account if necessary. This extension will ease your prospecting efforts, saving you time and energy for more meaningful interactions with potential clients. Enjoy your newfound productivity boost and don't hesitate to explore other features Apollo.io has to offer.